In this shifting real estate market, we've been pivoting heavily into the land development opportunities because as these other wholesalers are in this red ocean fighting for the same scraps as all the other sharks in the ocean, we've identified a unique niche. We've built out the process so that we can come in and snatch up huge deals, adding commas to the level of our assignment fees. Next thing you want to check after topography is going to be utilities. Where are the closest utilities for the specific project site that we're looking at? Now the goal is to be able to easily access and tap into existing utilities either through another neighborhood, subdivision, or recent developments in that area. After utilities, you're going to look at zoning. A lot of these development projects are going to require some degree of rezoning for the property that you'll have to go through different city and governing ordinances in order to get this passed through. You got a soil test. In the soil test, you will want to make sure that the soil is feasible for the development that you're looking to take on. You can't build a development on wetlands or a soil that's not going to test. Financial, is this property that we're looking at feasible based on a financial basis, right? So if we're looking back on the map, right, and let's say that we're looking at a specific property, which we'll go back to the one that we're looking at. Let's check the closest subdivision to where we're at, right? And if we pull up some of the smaller lots, we have .2 of an acre, right? That's telling us that for every acre, for a lot of this size, we're able to fit 5 home sites on that property, right? And depending on the area, if we could sell an acre for, let's just say 30K, right? 30K times 5 could equal 150K per acre potential for a developer if this property happens to be in the line of growth. And after we get through the financial aspect and we identify what we can potentially pitch this to one of our developer contacts for, we can reverse engineer the number to identify if the seller's asking price is a feasible option and if we can put together and structure a deal. Contract phase, the contract is going to look a lot different from your traditional wholesale contract, as the developers that we work with prefer a development contract. This is also going to mean an extended due diligence period, in most cases amounting to roughly 6 months. And then lastly, relationships are the key. It takes a lot of time to cultivate pure and rich relationships, especially on the development side of real estate. And our goal inside of this community is to empower you guys to team up, come together in a partnership position where we can put together, structure, and facilitate these land development deals to get them pushed through and put them on the desks of the developers that we work with. In this shifting real estate market, we've been pivoting heavily into the land development opportunities because as these other wholesalers are in this red ocean fighting for the same scraps as all the other sharks in the ocean, we've identified a unique niche. We've built out the process so that we can come in and snatch up huge deals, adding commas to the level of our assignment fees. To learn more about how you can get involved in this massive wave of opportunity in wholesaling land development deals, feel free to plug in with our community and learn how to take your wholesaling real estate operation on the quickest path to multi-million dollars. I'll see you guys on the other side.